I'm back. So apparently YouTube is having a lot of trouble with streams lately. I took the rejection on IWM. Sorry guys, I couldn't call it out because I was trying to figure out what's going on with um YouTube. But yeah, I'm playing the IWM rejection. I took it with 5 micros, very small position to be honest. But because I'm having trouble lately in the trading in the mornings, like I don't feel like the market's been clean in the mornings, or at least I haven't read the market right in the morning. So I'm looking to take trades with smaller position this week. Uh, yeah. So yeah, I'm with 5 micros, playing the IWM 255 rejection. Hmm. So IWM is definitely weaker than the rest of the market today. And if we see a bigger pullback on ES and NQ, I think IWM is gonna just melt. I do think the market needs a pullback. How is the crime safety in Venezuela? It's gonna be pretty safe. It's gonna be a pretty safe country like it was before. Okay, I want to see ES going lower to the 70s, 75, 77. Let's see how we're gonna react there. Like I said before, it was an important level yesterday. Also early morning today. So let's see how ES is gonna react at that level. Is it gonna hold it? Is it gonna melt there? I would love to see the market going lower and fill it the gap that both ES and NQ have below. Beautiful, beautiful reaction play. Yeah, beautiful reaction play. Beautiful. I'm gonna start taking some profits here. Nice, nice. Yeah, really nice reaction. IWM was very, very, very clean. NQ is holding pretty good this downside. ES definitely weaker than NQ. I think this pullback, it was definitely needed. Yeah, YouTube is having troubles with live streams. But glad you guys are back and this is working again. Okay, I'm still looking for ES to go a little bit lower. Pre-market low, pretty much. 77.75. IWM dying, melting. Sorry if you guys hear a bunch of noise, but I have construction happening all around me. No noise? Okay. You guys don't hear anything? Okay, so my mic is doing its work. Pretty good. Noise, only YouTube not working. For IWM, I'm looking for a pullback around 253.50. Maybe a little bit higher. Mhm. NQ still holding very, very good. I think it's Nvidia. Nvidia's too strong for NQ to go lower. Yeah. Nvidia was a beautiful pullback loan off of 186. I still want to see ES going a little bit lower and hitting my support level. If IWM makes a new higher high, I'm getting out of my position. I'm selling my runners. Yeah, I'm out. Okay, pretty nice. Really nice trade. I'm happy with my performance today. Yeah, really happy. Pretty good. I definitely wanted to see I definitely wanted to see a little bit more downside. I still think that ES should tap this level here, the 75, 77. And I also think IWM should go lower to 253.50 at least, or 0.60. But it's having a lot of trouble because of NQ strength. So yeah, we have ES being weak, NQ holding very, very good. In fact, it looks like it wants to break out here. It's clearly making a flag, holding support and the view up. A little bit, I made a little bit under 3K on this trade. Copy trading with 20 accounts from Apex. Apex right now is 50% off. So if you guys wanted to try it out, definitely worth your money. There's nothing like putting a little bit of risk on a trade that it can multiply by 20. If you can multiply your green trades by 20, I think it's worth the money. I don't use any copier. You use groups on Tradeovate. You don't need to use any external software or anything, any external tool. You just make groups on Tradeovate. Thank you. It's holding very, very nicely. It definitely looks like it wants more upside. So right now I'm using 3 props firms. I'm using 20 accounts with Apex, which you have a 50% off promo right now. The 90% off promo ended yesterday. I'm also using TPT, Take Profits Trader, because you can take out your profits every single day. You don't need to wait for anything. And they have right now 40% off promo and no activation fee. So you only pay for the eval. And I'm also using Tradeify. You can have up to 5 accounts, and right now they have a 30 or 35% off promo. So I have 20 accounts from Apex, 5 from TPT, and 5 from Tradeify. That's 30 accounts in total. And I think I might start like trying a little the accounts together, the whole 30 accounts. Because if I'm copy trading with 30 accounts, if I only make $100, which is not difficult to do on futures, that's 3K per day. Not hard to do. That's easy money. But um like everything on trading, I need to be patient first, building up first a big buffer for my accounts, and then I can start like using them for science. Yeah, beautiful breakout on NQ. Really nice flag. So technically, you can only copy on Tradeovate by prop. So I copy trade 20, and then I go for with 20 apex first, which are the ones that you're looking at right now on the screen, and then I take another trade for 5 TPT, and then another trade for 5 Tradeify accounts. But there are a few tools that you need to pay monthly. You need to pay a monthly fee where you can copy trade all the accounts you want from different props. So basically, if I'm start to try it out with that tool, I can copy trade with my whole 30 accounts. I'm gonna start experimenting with it because it has a high risk and high reward ratio in that, because if you have a bad day or a bad week, you lose all your accounts. Crazy move here. The market is crazy bullish. Like, it doesn't want to go lower. I have 50K accounts on Apex and Tradeify, and I have 25K accounts on TPT. And if you wanna buy accounts from props like Tradeify, Apex, or TPT, and you like my streams, make sure to use my code. That definitely help the channel and me. It's just a way of helping me with consistently doing the streams. Just a little thank you. So if you're still if no matter what you're gonna buy accounts, if you can help me with that, that'll be nice. My code for Apex is Apex IDR. For Tradeify and TPT is just ADR. Thank you, thank you. Okay, pretty interesting move here. Very nice hold on NQ. ES definitely very choppy today. What's my thoughts on intraday drawdown versus end of the day drawdown? Definitely end of the day drawdown is way better, but so the thing with intraday drawdown, you just need to understand how to take advantage of those props, right? So Apex and TPT have, ooh, what was that? What was that? Okay, so the intraday drawdown, yeah, it's pretty much you're paying for Apex because so Apex and TPT have two very good things, which are Apex, you copy trade with 20 accounts. It's pretty much the only like respectful prop that allows you to copy trade with 20 accounts. So you're basically paying with the drawdown the benefits of copy trading with 20 accounts. When it comes to TPT, I think it was the first prop that allow you to take profits daily, right? So yeah, they put it for you a little bit more difficult with the daily drawdown. But you're copy trading with 20 accounts with Apex, and you're able to take out your profits daily with TPT. So if you don't want trading drawdown, you're gonna have a little more, I will say, a little more difficulty to make more money with other props. But if you're using Apex, so how you go over the intraday drawdown. You just start building up your buffer on each account slowly, right? And after you build your buffer, the intraday drawdown is no longer there. So it's only at the beginning. You need to be very patient, build your buffer, go lower in size until you build your buffer, and then the drawdown is gone. So we gotta work smart, not hard. Being patient with this. I don't really care about the intraday drawdown because I don't go big in size on my trades. For me, it's all about taking advantage of copy trading multiple accounts. Like here, I only took my trade with 5 micros. If you only see how much I made per account, that's pretty much nothing. I made it like a little bit under $150 per account, but because I'm copy trading, I'm almost made 3K, right? So it's all about that. Go small in size, take advantage of copy trading with 20 accounts, and the drawdown is not a problem for me because of that. I'm patient enough to understand that until I build my buffer, or either it doesn't matter if I already have a buffer, I just don't want to lose my 20 accounts because I don't want to go through spending more money, right? So it's all about being smart. No, all these are funded accounts, not evals. None of these are evals. I have 20 funded accounts on Apex, 5 funded accounts on TPT, and 5 funded accounts on Tradeify. Did I pass all 20 at once? I don't remember, to be honest. But it doesn't matter what I did. You guys need to do whatever is best for your pocket and your trading style. Does my code work on resets? I don't know. I never done a reset. So go and try it out and let me know about that. Mm. Full port evals? Yeah, honestly, I do full port evals whenever I know with FOMC. I do that because I don't want to waste time. Like for me at this time of too much time with evals, because for me again, I'm losing money spending too much time on evals. I know YouTube, again, YouTube is having a lot of trouble with the streams. But NQ is still holding pretty good. Thank you. I don't know why I always get called Adriana. Why? But yeah, thank you.
Free trades joke thing in the future side, but when you look at this, and I don't do wedges and trend lines all that often. I do them sometimes when they feel pretty obvious. But
Hola.
again, this was pretty interesting.
Hey guys. Hola.
Good morning, good morning. Well, morning, yeah, still morning. Still morning. Feels like I've been
Almost
here forever, but
afternoon. Um, how you guys
right,
doing
if you
today?
so far so good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Green?
Green.
Yeah, me too. Almost 3K for the day.
It's been a
with nothing.
crazy, just balanced week. Tough to trade.
Oh yeah. I was read yesterday and Monday morning. I was able to flip things around in the afternoon, but mornings being crazy choppy. Like it's been difficult to trade in
Yeah,
the mornings.
was rough.
Mhm.
Yeah, same for me. I was pretty much I was close to kind of break even on my accounts, some up, some down. Like it's just really tough, right? Really choppy mornings.
Mhm.
So that's I put it in chat. That's the same trend
Bitcoin.
line I was talking about earlier this morning, right? You can see that outside of the volatility candle that was wild, we've held it every time we've come into it, right? Um, an interesting spot.
I don't like how the
Again,
market is moving. Look at these
I don't.
candlesticks.
So SDVT, I think that was an overreaction, a hard overreaction, right? And I think that's why we saw that. Again, that news was not overly damning to Nvidia. I don't think there's much to it. So, I think that's why you're seeing Nvidia now start to hold up. Watching to 190.4, right? On Nvidia. It's a little pivot spot here. But Microsoft looks fantastic. NQ's reclaimed the entire thing now.
Oh, and it's been flagging the entire day.
Yeah. So did you get back in, Eric? Looks like there's a new entry, right? You re-entered. Nice. Excellent.
Look at Case
Again, that,
killing it with the PAs. Apex PAs. 20? Nice.
who case? What are you talking?
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh, did he post about it? Oh, okay. Futures chat, I assume. Somewhere else. Or I can't keep a track on both of these. Oh
I
yeah,
know.
look at that.
So I played today a reaction on IWM, 255 reaction. It's doing exactly the same thing. I kind of wanted to take it again, the same trade, but I don't like how bullish NQ is right now for this trade, but it's looking pretty good. IWM reacting to 55 and the VWAP. ES is having a lot of trouble around the 90s.
Yeah, it was that. We've been chatting about that level all morning, ADR. All morning. That's been the level. It was pretty clear pre-market that was gonna be the level. It's been one heck of a spot. 935-ish areas where I kind of want to see NQ. That's kind of what I felt we can get up to most of the morning here. See, I want to see Eric. Where's your PT?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Up at
Okay,
what?
I see it.
910?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that's been the area I've been watching for all morning, right? As we moved up and we held over. Too many windows open now. Too many chats. How do you guys do this?
I know.
We held open.
And I have YouTube.
Yeah. No chance. No chance. We kind of got up over this orb high, right? And once we started holding above that, I was looking really good for up to that kind of 935. We knew 900 was going to be a level. Roz saw a massive order stack there. Coincidentally, we rejected that, but that was, we'll say, a coincidence. News came out the same time that level popped up. But yeah, we get back over, ES gets back over this 92 area, right? We close up a 5 minute over that 92, which is 3 minutes away. I do like this for more upside. I do, but it's
Yeah,
got
the
to get over this
market,
area.
it's telling us that it doesn't want to go lower. Like every
Yeah.
time you have a pullback, it gets bought up. But the pullback in the morning on ES and IWM, RTY was pretty clean.
I've never really traded it. How does it move? Is it slower or faster than ES?
What, RTY?
Yeah.
I kind of move like NQ.
Oh, I'm have to look into it.
So it's wild. I mean, listen, I thought NQ was wild till I traded silver for the first time, and then I realized that, but no, NQ's
I'm
NQ's
staying
chill in
away from
comparison.
silver and gold. I don't want to deal with
Yeah,
that.
gold is not bad. Silver's crazy. Silver 1 micro can do damage, like damage. The first day I traded it, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do 1 micro just to see how it works, how it plays out. And it was like 200 and something bucks immediately, instantaneously. I was like, oh, with 1 micro, okay, this is how we're playing this game. So yeah, it's pretty wild. I still like this long, right? If ES can get over this, I like this long up into ES for high of day and NQ back into 35. This will be, if we hold this here, I may take a small 1 to 2 micro entry just to try to. I wanted 635 all day just to see if we can get up there. It's more like a testing my theory here. So if we could do that, that'd be great. Inside of that, I'm gonna pop off in about 5 minutes. Again, I want to say, if anybody wants to come over and see the futures side, we have a whole section for futures. I can toss it in the chat after you come take a look. And if you have questions, need anything, you can also DM me.
Nvidia, it's been so choppy lately. It's weird. But it keeps bouncing off of the 186 level. Yeah, I do think gold and silver is a little bit more a season thing. Like right now, everyone is going crazy with both, but it's just a rotation into something else. People are, it's normal, it always happens. That's why you don't see tech moving too much or pulling back. It's always been like that.
Yeah, I kind of like that ES is trying to get up over this level here. This is
Mhm.
interesting for sure.
But it's very slow price action now.
Oh God, it's very
Mhm.
slow. Yeah, yeah.
I wanted that pullback to the 70s. We got it, but in the crazy candle, so I couldn't play that. But that was the level that I wanted to see ES retest. The 75, 77. I was waiting for that all morning, and we got it with a crazy candle, so I couldn't play it out.
Yep, probably will, Eric. Probably will. Again, I wanted 75 is what I wanted on ES this
Mhm.
morning. I wanted to push down to 75. I was like, this is the level I want for a long.
Yeah.
Yeah, G trades. It's silver. Micros is all about tick value, right? And the same thing for QQ, for NQ, ES, gold, all about tick value. And the way silver is moving now because of the volatility, even 1 micro in silver, right? That tick value just moves so incredibly quick, right? It probably wouldn't be as big of a deal back when silver was moving negligible amounts, but now it's seeing 5, 6, 7, 8% days on silver, right? So there's a lot of movement.
If IWM can hold the VWAP and 255 is boom boom time.
Yeah, I like that, Ross. That could be good.
So who's on voice today? I only hear you.
It's me and Ross. I think that's it.
Yeah, I'm on
ADR.
here. It's just
Oh, yeah.
It's been us
chilling.
hanging out today. Just us. Yeah, Eric. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I told you, the first one I took it on my fund day. I was like, it's one micro. Okay, well, who cares? And then I realized very quickly that I was not prepared for that. Heart palpitations. It was wild. Very quickly, I was like, oh, okay. One
Are you
micro.
sure that wasn't because of the coffee you're drinking?
No, this I entered at like 7 p.m. So coffee had worn off by then case. As you know, I was like, we're good. Now, if it was after my quad in the morning, maybe I would have given it to you. Maybe. Yeah, quad shot. I don't know what people consider quad to
Mhm.
be.
If anyone doesn't know, this man drinks a lot of coffee, a lot of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. He loved it.
Yeah.
He sent me.
Don't nobody send me gift cards. If you send them, I'm gonna rip them up. I'm gonna toss them in the trash. That's Buck Short. Dunks, I will not touch a Dunks coffee. All right, I lied. I will have a Dunks iced coffee if it's hot, it's summer, and I'm stuck and I can't get coffee anywhere else. it is like the only thing around, then maybe. Do you drink a black Hennessy? Yes, I do.
Wow. And Q's still holding that EMA nicely.
It's a good spot. Like I said, as long as
Wow.
we're holding over that 900, I like this. Get my 935. I'm still in the 1 micro, by the way, guys. I took 1 micro. At a 90. This is 904. 904. Eric, I don't. Okay. I don't know why. That sounds crazy to me. Give me my 935 so I can call it. I should be out of here already, but I want my 935.